Hello and welcome to our channel. For today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove WhatsApp channels option. Before we get started, please don't forget to like and subscribe and click the notification bell for you to be updated to our latest tutorial videos. Without further ado, let's now begin. So WhatsApp recently launched a new Telegram Lite feature called Channels, whereby now when you open your WhatsApp in the place of status, it shows you updates. So when you click on updates, it will first show you the status post of your contacts, but when you scroll to the bottom, it shows channels that are recommended to you. But you can also find other channels by clicking on the plus sign, or you can just click on the find channels option. So all these channels are arranged randomly, whereby there are entertainment channels, football channels, and so forth. So when you join a certain channel, just like Telegram channels, you can only be able to react to certain posts, but you cannot comment. And also the other more private option is you cannot see the contacts of other people who are already in the channel, neither can others see your contacts on that channel. So that is how all these channels are arranged. But just like any other social media platform, there are always advantage and disadvantage of any certain update that is made. So for this one particularly, one thing that I've noticed is apparently you cannot search for a status post of a specific contact, unlike in a previous version of WhatsApp. And also the congestion of having status posts and channels under one section is a bit disturbing for some people, and therefore I'm going to show you how you can remove these channels. So on your WhatsApp, click on the three dots at the top right corner and then go to settings, then chats, then you go to chat backup, and then you back up your chats to a given Google account that you selected. So after backing up your chats, and then now you go ahead and open your browser, then search for WhatsApp old version. So I'll be showing you the type of the old version that you're going to use. So of course, when you search for WhatsApp old version, there are different sites that suggest different old versions, but you ensure that you install that one before September 13th, because that is when the update was made. And then you have to first uninstall the existing version of WhatsApp. But when prompted to keep data, you don't tick that option, you don't keep that data. So after uninstalling, then you can now install the other version. So after uninstalling, then you can now install the other old version. I'm going to put the link in the description of the video of the version that you can use that has the latest updates except the channels option. So after installing, you go ahead and open, then register your number, and since you back up your chats before uninstalling the other version of WhatsApp, so automatically you'll be prompted to select the backup option and all your previous chats will be restored. So this will take a few seconds to process, and then after restoring your chats, you will be able to access all the old chats, and now the other channels option will not be there. So you'll only have chats, status, and calls. So that is the easiest method. If you find this video helpful, leave a thumbs up, share to your friends, and hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon in the next video.